Do you remember when you went to your elementary school book fair and you were supposed to buy something to read, but instead you came home with a poster of a car? Well, Tejas Turismo is an event where you not only get to see your childhood poster cars, you get to drive alongside them. This 3-day driving adventure starts in downtown Houston at the aptly named starting line. And one of the things I really love about this event is everyone here just likes to drive. Even though it's packed with absolutely stunning cars, there's no garage queens here. And speaking of poster cars, this F50 is the literal car from the posters. It's the pre-production prototype that was used in all the marketing materials back in the day. Absolutely wild. And while everyone's milling around and getting reacquainted, we're also picking up our event packets. This is always a highlight for me as you get to see the amazing swag you get from Pacto. I always love the gloves and jacket. For the second year in a row, I brought my 81 Fiat Spider. But let's take a minute just to appreciate all these cars that turned out. Heading out of town, we had a police escort, and they did a really great job this year keeping us all together. I'm sure the regular traffic hated us for holding up their morning commute, but this is certainly the only way I want to drive in Houston. Once outside of Houston, we made a brief stop at Buc-ee's, and then we hit the back roads to go to our lunch spot. Royer's Cafe in Round Top was the main lunch destination, but they couldn't accommodate all of us, so we just sort of spread out and took over the whole town. It was pretty impressive. And as quickly as lunch was over, it was time to roll out to the hotel in Austin. Home base for the weekend was the Hotel Viata, which is in a gorgeous spot in the hills west of Austin. Y'all I try to put it inside?
Yeah. That's awesome. Great.
Here's the room in the Hotel Viata. It's a pretty nice room, actually. Nice big shower. There I am. Hey. And the room comes with a free bottle of wine. That's really nice. But what's really funny is that there's this little 1-foot balcony here, and you can check out the view. Way off in the distance over there, you can see downtown Austin. And from my tiny little balcony, I could watch the cars come in. There were 150 cars in our group, and the way we took over the hotel's parking garage was pretty impressive. It feels like you're in some sort of over-the-top 80s movie. The next morning we had a brief driver's meeting, but then we hit the road because we had over 300 miles of Texas Hill Country to cover. The little town of Mason welcomed us in for lunch, where we had catered barbecue waiting for us. And Mason has a beautiful town square with lots of shops and restaurants and museums. Y'all should really go check it out. It really seemed like everyone in the town had a great time.
I love the patina on this thing, man.
You know how it goes. Once you start, you can't stop.
I know, right? Yeah.
This
But
is
like,
it.
I love a car that like shows its age, kind of though. You know what I mean? I like it.
My wife and I, we all age very gracefully.
Right? Yeah. I'm seeing double.
And before you know it, it was time to hit the road and head back to the hotel in Austin. And while the drive was a lot of fun, it did have its perils. Tom's lights got blasted by rocks, good reminder not to follow too close. And I came across a fellow traveler stranded on the side of the road.
It's my new buddy Rourke. Found him parked on the side of the road, and we're thinking that he just needs some gas, so I took him to go get some gas. We're gonna find out real quick.
Now, the following morning was the award ceremony, which I missed because the email they sent out the night before said it was at noon when it was actually at 10. But I was in good company because the dude with the 288 GTO thought the same thing.
Well, this is your award. Oh, well,
I was like, I was crying for that.
oh wow.
But it's all good because I got there in time to say goodbye to everyone. And of course, watching all these amazing cars drive off is part of the fun.
Bye. See you later, man. Thanks. Bye. See ya. I love the flag.
And I want to thank everyone that came out, and of course the Tejas Turismo team for putting on such a fun, fantastic, friendly event. See y'all again next year.